What's up, guys? So in today's video I will be teaching you an easy way to do the Binance arbitrage and make profit and make as high as $500 to $1,000 every single week. This is an approach that is very simple and straightforward for people who are not that familiar or who are not an expert in arbitrage. This will really help you, as you really don't need to be an expert in cryptocurrency before you make profit doing what I'm about to teach you. So I normally advise you stay glued to my video. Make sure you don't fast forward, because if you fast forward the video you might miss a step. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Coach Silas, and here we talk about money making and we also talk about Binance arbitrage. Like you always know, Binance arbitrage is all about taking advantage of market difference, price difference, and making extra income to your pocket, to your wallet. So today I'm here to blow your mind again with this new opportunity. So I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. Let's dive into the matter. So for this arbitrage, we are going to be using the Binance as usual. So let's head straight to the Binance. So guys, we are logged in already, and here is the Binance application. So what we're going to be doing is we are going to be buying USDT from the P2P market, and we are still going to sell the same USDT on the same Binance at higher rate. So let me explain how this is done in a short minute. So we go to the P2P trading. So the first thing we will do is we are going to buy USDT. Please note that the higher capital you have to do your Binance arbitrage, the higher your profit will be. So it is very important to know that. So let's take, for instance, our arbitrage. We want to do the USDT purchase. So let's say we have a budget of 1 million naira. A budget of 1 million naira. So this will bring out people who are selling at the rate of 1 million, right? Please take a look at something. You can see when we write 1 million, the rate is actually 985. But let us write 4,000. Let's write 4,000. What did you see? You can see 987. Please look at it again. 907 for 4,000, and let's see for 1 million. Okay, this is 1 million. Pardon me, please. I am trying to count the numbers of zeros. So this is 1 million. You can see 985. Okay, so what we are going to be doing here is this. We are going to be having a big capital. Like we're going to be having like around 1 million naira, or we have 500,000 to do this arbitrage. But I'm going to be using 1 million as an example. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to buy at the rate of 985, and you are going to sell that same USDT on Binance at a higher rate. So let me explain what we are going to do. Let me explain the strategy. So we're actually going to buy. So sorry, this is actually 100,000, not 1 million. We'll put extra zero. So this is it. So 985. Let's say 980. Let's just say 986 here. So we come here, wait for it to load. So let's assume we are buying 1 million. We'll write 1 million naira, and we'll click buy crypto. You can, sorry, let's do it again. 1 million naira. You can see we're going to get 1,014 USDT. Okay, 1,014 USDT, right? So since this is the strategy. Since when you are buying lesser, it is always more expensive. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be buying this USDT at 985, and we are going to be selling at 987. Okay, so let's do a calculation. we can see 985.95 is the amount we are buying. So let's get the calculator and do a simple calculation. So that's 985.95 is the rate. So what we're going to do is let's write the 1 million naira firstly. We'll now say divide by 985.95. So that is what gave us this 1014 USDT, right? We are going to be selling to people who wants to buy the USDT at maybe 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. So we're going to assume we want to sell 990. Let's say for instance, 990 multiplied by 1014. Multiplied by 1014. We actually got 1014 USDT. So we're going to do is equal to. So at the end of that 1 million trade, we are going to be getting 3,860 naira. But the good thing about this is Binance is a very big market for buying and selling of cryptocurrency. You can sell this 1 million naira USDT within a few hours. So with this strategy, you can make a reasonable amount. So now let me teach you how you can actually sell your USDT on Binance. Okay, so let's take once you bought that USDT, you are not going to click here and sell. If you click there, you are going to run at loss. Okay, you are going to run at loss. What you're going to do is you're going to click on ads. Okay, you see add at the top right. So the top bottom, you click on ads and you now click on post ads. So what this one does is it will allow you to impute your own rate, the amount you want to sell your cryptocurrency. So that is when you can now write 990 that you want to sell it. Trust me, you're going to see buyers. You're going to see buyers, people who are interested in buying. So with this strategy, you are going to be making a reasonable amount. If you don't know how to sell on Binance, I have a video. You can go through my previous videos. I have a video that I've taught how you can post an advert on marketplace in the P2P market to sell your USDT. If you find this video very helpful, endeavor to smash the red subscribe button as I speak. And don't forget, once you're done, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it so that when next we drop valuable videos like this, you are going to be the first person to get notified. Don't say I didn't tell you. Take action now and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you watch this video to this very time, I give you thumbs up because this is an opportunity you wouldn't want to miss. So go take action now. Go make extra income for yourself and see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye.